So what do we have here? This one is titled, Woman Learns a Hard Lesson About Following the Stadium's Bag Policy by Body Cam Watch.
In this video, we're taking a closer look at an incident that happened on August 2nd in Tampa, Florida, when a woman was refused entry into the Chris Brown concert due to the venue's bag policy.
Ooh, she spent a lot of money for that.
All right, listen.
Listen, her tickets and green the first time. Just her bag. We can step over there.
Can I come in?
We can step over there.
I would rather come in.
We can
Just
talk.
to have a conversation with you.
We can talk here. We can talk
Yeah, we
because
can
the
go
bag.
back that way, but this is
The bag
a little
violates.
claustrophobic.
Bag
policy. So that's what
Because you need to back the fuck up.
they're saying.
The bag violates policies. We can't come any further in here. We can either talk here. Or we can go over there.
Okay, so the issue
We've seen instances where stepping into a restricted area leads to an immediate arrest, but the officer here tries to de-escalate the situation.
Ma'am, step over here.
is that there's a
Step over here.
problem
Step over here.
with
Step over here.
my bag, right?
You need to step outside.
Sweetheart, it's a few
You
people.
need to step outside, miss. We can talk over here. You
Yeah, like why you just can't go back to the car, put that shit up, and then go back in?
can't come in with your bag. We don't want to trespass you and prevent you from coming to the concert. But your bag violates policy.
She look like she on bullshit though.
What's the policy?
It has to be.
And they say it, don't they give you this type of information when you like buy tickets and shit?
Yours too big. It has to be clear.
I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to help you.
Why is she walking? Where's she going?
Again, she could be arrested right now for going farther into the venue, but the officer tries not to do that.
Stop playing.
What's so funny?
Stop playing.
What the fuck is wrong with her? What's she on?
Hey, now. Now.
Okay.
Your bag is too big.
She then walked toward the escalators with the officer continuing to ask her to step outside.
If you don't go back to the gate, you're gonna be arrested for trespassing. Your bag violates policy.
So she's just gonna keep walking.
Does it? What's
Yes,
the policy?
it does.
What's the policy?
Don't go to the escalator.
What's the
Ma'am, just
policy?
step back to the gate.
What's the policy?
Your bag.
All of this for some tickets when you could have just put this shit in the car? What's so hard about? Oh, maybe she. What if she called an Uber? Oh, ain't got nowhere to put that shit.
Officer Phillips, explain to me the policy.
Your bag is too big. It needs to be clear
What
or
is it?
smaller.
Damn, that's a big ass gap. Unclosed door. I love gaps, but I ain't never seen them that big.
Why?
For public safety and efficiency.
I don't know the exact dimensions. They make the rules. Your bag is too
Officer
big.
Phillips,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the policy so I can understand?
I
Because
can
I
He
don't have a car.
he just told you you gotta be drunk. You gotta be fucked up.
Okay.
And this holds everything. So if the issue is safety, right? That's the only thing I'm thinking of in this whole situation about her bag.
Yeah, she's inebriated. You could tell by the way she talking in her eyes.
Then why don't you just check the bag?
Because they have a.
Some people just don't take the fucking slightest clue. Some people just don't have common sense. Common sense ain't so common in a lot of people, especially when they like book smart. Them be some dumb motherfuckers.
It's a bag policy. They allow a certain size. Your bag is too big.
Yeah.
Don't try to walk.
Officer Phillips, why is your hand on me?
When you come back,
Officer Phillips, why is your hand on me?
Oh, you supposed to been got arrested. And we just keeping it a bean.
ma'am, stop.
Officer Phillips, this is your third time putting your hands on me.
Can you come back again, please?
Yeah, call somebody.
Stop.
He keeps trying to de-escalate too. That's the crazy thing about it. Like the assholes always get the nicest cops. Why can't the asshole suspects get the asshole cops? Yeah, now there's a struggle. She
Stop. You're under arrest.
all of that over some goddamn tickets. That's crazy. I sing for you, little baby, and I'm back and I'm working. No 9 to 5, put the work in. She knows she wanted to hear that shit. Baby girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl. This motherfucker eating. He just set his food down. Boys eat a whole glizzy just trying to enjoy the night.
Now, y'all messed up my makeup because y'all want to play.
It's empty.
And we're really going to have some issues.
That is crazy.
Well, we'll explain it in just a second. I just got here,
So you
so.
don't listen. Sit back over here. Don't go into the security office.
What if they playing Chris Brown all in the motherfucking all in the goddamn place where she got to wait at?
The officer would charge her with trespassing and resisting without violence. Court records show an application for the misdemeanor intervention program was filed, but was rejected by the assistant state attorney 2 months later. A month after that, the woman's attorney of record withdrew from the case due to irreconcilable differences between her and the defendant.
Of course, she's the fucking problem. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. And that's it, baby. We out.
As of this video, the case is still ongoing.
Of course it is. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Ooh, that's assault.
Why is she attacking Peter?